Hey, good morning, YouTube. Alright, today, well, I ordered a new hard drive from the Amazon, a PlayStation 3 hub USB. Get down, boy. A USB port, and I ordered a new. Ooh, sorry, though. I ordered a new hard drive for my PS4, so just want to let y'all know, stay tuned tomorrow or for Saturday to see if this hard drive comes in between tomorrow or Saturday. Then I'll be doing the hard drive upgrade for the PS4, so stay tuned for that. Make a video on that, and if anybody got any questions or whatnot, let me know now. Send me the emails, because once I start this project tomorrow or Saturday, I'm just gonna go right to the video, So the main thing that you're gonna want to have come on, stop it, guys. The main thing that you're gonna want to have is a couple of thumb drives, or a flash drive or a card drive, one of these things, or one of these, either one of these, because you're gonna need to make a folder called PS4, all in capital letter. Inside of that folder, you're going to need one with all capital letters stating update. And then inside the update folder, you're going to go into the PS3, PS4 website and download the update, and then put it into the file onto the USB thumb drive under update. You're going to drop the update into that, and then once the update is on your thumb drive, then you take it to your PS4 with your empty hard drive, your new hard drive, and then you put the thumb drive in there into the USB, and then that's how you're able to upload the new firmware update, which I believe is 1.61 on the PlayStation 4. So with that being said, peace and love, respect, much love, YouTube, Facebook. And my dog's playing around in the background. But like I said, much love, respect, YouTube, Facebook. Stay tuned for my next video. It should be within a couple of days, 2 to 3 days. Much love. Peace.